Well, if I try to do recapitulation, I could just say for recapitulation about this. So I've jumped into for day 5 learning Godot, game development in Godot, more specifically on the topic subject GD script, Godot script. There is a learning app. One can get it from I think introduction here, learning to code with GD script, and if I click here, there should be a link, learn to code in introduction, getting started. Click here to access this app, learning from zero. So in 3 hours I have a background knowledge, so it's clear for me, but this is the first time I'm facing this type of syntax with code block indentations or function definitions. I'm very used to curly braces. And I went through basics with examples that are like interactive examples, and I'm at the 13 conditions. What is this chapter? Lesson 13. What's been covered from beginning towards here? There are functions are introduced and variables, and the member function for every entity in the game engine, which is process and process delta, that which actually provides a mean to optimize performance, make it seamless on every type of hardware. Process delta, process function underscore process, refers to inbuilt function that actually it's repeated every frame. It's involved in rendering and updating the image of the frame, while delta passed as an argument in that function is a time difference between frames. So it's a variable value can vary. It's derived from performance from frame to frame as the process, as engine processes calculates each image of a frame. The delta is a given also as a result. It's like it's not constant, it's the inbuilt, I'm guessing so far, it's inbuilt variable that holds and allows using the time in milliseconds. Well, anyway, time difference in seconds between frames drawn. Outro, does it matter? Outro, yeah, it matters. Make it official. Keep it tidy. I'd like to get back in an hour and continue. That would be day 5 part 2. And do I have the outro? Yeah, there it is.